In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do Subscript in Affinity Designer. First, open up Affinity and of course, open up your project with the text that you would like to do Subscript with. Or you can also start with a blank canvas and add in your text in here. And to do that, in the left toolbar, click on the text tool, drag it in your canvas. So say for example, this is our text and we want to turn number one into a subscript. All you have to do is highlight the specific letter or text that you would like to turn into a subscript. Then next at the top menu in text styles, click on the subscript button. And just by that, we have now turned this specific character into a subscript. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!